Hello students, welcome back. So this is the second session, alright. So according to our schedule for today, we are going to learn from Writing Practice Book 2 for the second session. Okay students, so this is Unit 9, Verbs and Prepositions. So verb and preposition, verb plus preposition we call, phrasal verb, right? Okay, so until now, we have learned about phrasal verbs already, right? But this unit, we will learn again about phrasal verb, about verbs plus prepositions. You will know exactly how to use it in a sentence, okay? So before we can start learning about Unit 9, teacher would like to review you about the, what we learned, okay? What we learned from Unit 8 first. Okay, everyone, so what is the title of Unit 8? So Unit 8 talk about prepositions, right? Okay, student, good. So teacher would like to ask you some questions related to that lesson. So what is preposition? How do we use preposition in the sentences, students? And how many types of preposition have we learned? Okay, so let's teacher tell you. Preposition. Alright, so preposition is used to show about the relationship between a noun and pronoun, or between a noun or pronoun, or other words as well. Okay, so we have learned about how many types of preposition have we learned? Okay, so we have learned 4 types of preposition already. So now teacher would like you to open your book to page 78. Alright, so for the first, we have learned about prepositions of location. Okay, so like on, in, next to, behind, near, between, and in front of. This is called preposition of location, that it is used to show about the something in somewhere, okay, in some place. So example, this is a hat on the beach. So we want to show that hat is on the beach. So this preposition on show about the the noun show about hat is on the beach, okay. Alright, it show about the location of the hat. Alright, and for the second part of preposition that we have learned is about prepositions of time. Okay, preposition of time like on, in, for, during. So all of this called preposition of time. Okay. Right, and preposition of place. Preposition of place mean that those preposition is used to show about the place of something, like they live in Mexico, right? They live in where? They live in Mexico, right? They talk about the place. And I meet John at the airport, okay, at the airport. So at is used to show about the place. So at, in, this preposition is used to show about the place. And preposition of direction and preposition of movements, like through, like toward, like across, along, over, under, into, and out of. So all of this called preposition of direction and preposition of movement. So there are four types of preposition that we have learned in Unit 8. So the first is the preposition of location, preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of direction and movement. Alright, good. So teacher hope that you still remember about this. Okay, so if you're not clear about the preposition, you can you can read the book on page 78, or you can replay the video for this unit, then you will understand. Okay, good. So for the lesson for today that teacher want to teach you is about Unit 9, verbs and preposition. So verb plus prepositions called phrasal verbs. So you will learn again about phrasal verb. Okay, good. So for part 1, phrasal verb 1. So you will know clear how to about phrasal verb and some phrasal verbs as well. Okay, so. And also in the end, teacher has some example for you about this to make sure that you can remember, to make sure that you can understand about this point. Okay, thank you so much. All right, everyone, let's start to number 2, 1, phrasal verb. Okay. So, phrasal verb. Verbs are often combined with prepositions. This verb and prepositions combinations. Okay, combination are called phrasal verbs. So verb plus preposition. Okay, P-E, preposition equal phrasal verb. Phrasal verb, okay? Phrasal verb. Okay, you know that phrasal verb sometimes its meaning follow by verb and preposition, and sometimes its meaning idiom, means idiom. So now I would like to show you about some preposition that used with verb over here. So like preposition like about, like at, for, to, and of. Okay, all of this preposition is used to combine with verb, and let's see it. Worry about, talk about, think about. Okay, talk about, think about, and look at, smell, smile at, a right at or a right in. Okay, for, ask for, wait for, look for. So everyone, this verb and this phrasal verb, its meaning followed by the meaning of the verb and the meaning of the preposition as well. Okay, so worry about. So worry about this thing. We feel sad about something. Okay, we feel sad about something. And talk about mean we used to speak about something. Okay, or to speak about someone. Think about. We think about someone or something. Okay, it means both. Okay, means both. Its meaning is it's not idiom. Okay, it's not idiom. So it meaning followed by meaning of the verb and meaning of the preposition as well. Okay, all of this called phrasal verb. And look at something. Okay, and smile at someone and smile at something. Write at. Or write in some places. Okay, some place. Number 4, ask for, wait for, and look for. Okay, look for. Okay, good. Look at the next preposition. Preposition 2. Talk to. You talk to someone. Example, talk to students. So you talk to teacher. Example like this. Okay. Listen to something or listen to someone, listen to teacher, listen to music. Okay, belong to someone, belong to something. Okay, consist of what? Okay, consist of 5 lessons. Example, consist of 5 lessons. So the meanings followed by the meaning of the verb and meaning of preposition. This is all of this called phrasal verb. Okay, do you understand? Okay, good. So example, mom is waiting for that. Mom is waiting for that. So waiting for this called preposition. Oh no, sorry, this is called phrasal verb. Okay, phrasal verb. They are talking about something. They are talking about something. So talking about something, this is called phrasal verb. 3. She looked at the people. She looked at the people. So looked at. So this is called phrasal verb. Okay? Do you understand? So phrasal verbs are often combined with prepositions. These verbs and preposition combinations are called phrasal verb. As you can see here, verb plus preposition equal so equal phrasal verb. And phrasal verb, one over here, its meaning followed by the meaning of the verb and the meaning of preposition as well. And You will learn about part 2. About part 2, number 2, phrasal verb 2. Phrasal verb 2 will learn about the task of phrasal verb and the meaning of phrasal verb also. So the meaning of phrasal verb 2 means idiom. Okay. Alright, good. Thank you so much, students. If you have any question with this point, just leave your question below this video. Okay. And teacher believes that tomorrow every student has one question to ask teacher about phrasal verb. Okay, please find 1 or 2 questions to ask your teacher. Okay, about this. Okay, thank you so much, students, for watching. Now our video coming to the end. Thank you, and teacher hope to see you guys on Thursday. Okay. Okay. Good luck.